Alright, I got my darn good yarn for April 2018 in the mail today. Make it yours. Love, Nicole and Darn Good Yarn crew. I craft so hard, I sweat glitter. Yarn is my happy place. My yarn and I are similar. As it unwinds, I do too. Okay. See what I got. Ripples neck warmer. Darn Good Yarn family. Okay. Alright, I got these actually in, no, I didn't get the knitting needle. Yeah, I did. I got these actually in my previous order, but what I didn't realize is when I done my previous order, when I did this order, I signed in with the wrong email, so it did it just like a brand new order. But let's see what I got. Worsted weight silk roving. Silky soft and deliciously colorful. The single ply yarn glides through the stitches, hand spun and hand dyed by women in India. It's beautiful for you and for our global community. Handmade in India. We believe in helping people find their true joy. Our respectful source products are designed to inspire artful living while providing lifelong connections. Okay, so the yarn doesn't have like a collar or anything. It just tells you what it is, and that's dyed. And it doesn't tell me... Oh, 75 yards. 75 yards. So far, this subscription box, I've liked it. It's interesting. I like that the yarn is, you know, it's recycled. I just like all of it about it. I just think it's really neat. Ships by the 20th of the month. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This yarn is really pretty and it's a single ply. Now I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna make with it. Yay! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Information about Darn Good Yarn Box will be in the video description below. Questions, comments, put in the comment section below. It's, I believe it's a $10 a month subscription. You can pay extra to have, it's like an extra $5. I think after shipping and everything, I paid $18. And I got my yarn, and then you'll get a surprise gift each month. That is at least a $15 value, and you pay an extra $5 for it, I think is what it was. Which this one, I got the knitting needles and the crochet hook, which were all the same size, which are 5, which is nice. But I really like this yarn. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you get Darn Good Yarn, leave comments in the video description below on what you thought of it. Just so some people that are watching the video, if they're thinking about it, they can have some other reviews to go through. Because I love the whole recycled aspect. It's a low-cost box that I can get each month and not have a whole lot of money into it, you know. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure your notifications are turned on so when I put out new videos, you'll receive an email.